Hey everyone, welcome to another Star Wars Limited Shadows of the Galaxy booster box opening. This is the second one of these I've got to open now on the channel. I've got quite a lot to do. I've got about 16 or so of these at the minute ordered, or in stock from orders. I got two full cases, and then I got four out of a case because some of the pre-order got cancelled. Before cracking into the packs though, just a quick reminder of the kind of long-running giveaway I'm doing with these, which is if I open a showcase card from one of these boxes, I'm going to give away all the legendaries from that same box. Yep, stay tuned to the videos if you're interested in winning a box worth of legendaries from this set. Starting off with a rare leader, Finn, and Death Watch Hideout as our base. Our 9 common cards, 3 uncommons, and our rare legendary is a rare this time, and we have Omega from the Bad Batch. And our foil card at the back is just a common, and that is Slaver's Freighter common foil. Second leader Bosch, and Death Watch Hideout again, following up. No hyperspace at the end of the commons in this pack. And no hyperspace at the end of the uncommons either. Bo-Katan. It's our last uncommon. And then we have a Stolen Landspeeder rare. And we have a hyperspace foil, Reckless Gunslinger. It's kind of interesting looking at hyperspace foil. This one's very dark around the edges. Hard to really see the full effect of that. I'm not sure that one works as well as I thought it might in hyperspace foil. In the last box, got very lucky. Got a Hyperspace Foil Legendary Mando card. So yeah, quite a lucky pull on the very first box that these have opened. I've actually been very lucky with the first boxes I've opened of both the sets in the channel. The first box of Spark of Rebellion opened, I got a Hyperspace Foil Vader from that. And here's our first Hyperspace Uncommon. This box, Cripple Authority. I haven't really got a plan for where I'm putting things here on the table. We have our rare is Legal Authority, and our foil, another common, Bounty Guild Initiate. Yeah, Hyperspace Foil Legendaries from come out, at least from Spark of Rebellion, didn't come out too often, so pretty lucky to get one on the very first box. Jabba's Palace and Han Solo to start. And we have a Hyperspace Cargo Juggernaut. Common. 3 commons with Millennium Vulcan, Enforced Loyalty, Brutal Traditions, and we have Kira as our rare. And a Death Watch Loyalist foil. That looks pretty good in foil, I have to say. That looks pretty nice. That'll probably look very good in Hyperspace foil. Bosch and Remote Village. And we have another Hyperspace Common, Smuggler's Starfighter. We have Forlom Scanning Officer and Embo, so uncommons. And another rare, Koska Reeves. Still no legendaries from this box set. We have a Crosshair uncommon foil as well. Here we go, we have a Cad Bane in Hyperspace. It's our leader. And Navarro City on Navarro as a base. Another common Hyperspace card, so getting plenty of these to start. Take Captive, Obi-Wan there, being captured. Chrysanthemum uncommon, Mercenary Gunship uncommon, and we have a Hyperspace Legendary. Nice. We're getting really good luck with Hyperspace in this one. Hyperspace Legendary Poe Dameron. Excellent. And we have Imprisoned, it's rare, a rare slot. And we have a foil rare, so this is a very good pack, this one. Altering the deal. Again, the foil on that looks awesome. Really stands out better than these two. Foil rare there. And legendary sleeve in the top loader. Okay, so leader in this one, Hondo and Aka. And we have Coronet City and Corellia. 9 commons, nothing special there. 3 uncommons, and we have a Hyperspace uncommon Millennium Falcon. Another rare in the rare legendary slot, Evidence of the Crime. And Deathmark foil common. So, yep, got pretty lucky with the legendary Hyperspace, but we're not seeing any legendaries yet in the actual legendary slot, so hopefully that changes soon. And we'll get a few more as we go towards the bottom 2/3 of the pack. I really like that Wiki Warrior art, it's pretty cool. Jetpack, Salacious Crumb, and Midnight Repairs. Another rare, Palpatine's Return, and a foil Surprise Strike reprint card from the Sparkle Rebellion set. Leader's Time Ray. We have the Remnant Science Facility again, second one in a row. Second Hyperspace coming up here. The Hyloban Enforcer in Hyperspace. Uncommons, we have Lady Proxima, L337, and Remnant Reserves. Then a rare again, Maz Kanata. And we have a foil rare, Infant Mon. Second foil rare of the box. Okay, Gar Saxon and Coronet City as our leaders. Not sure why they didn't do any rare bases in this set. Well, that being said, I end up with so many. You're quite disappointed when you see one in that rare legendary slot rather than a rare or legendary. So maybe it's a good thing in terms of the opening experience that they don't do them in every set. Given to Your Anger, rare card, and okay, I'm maybe gonna get one of these per box. Another Mandalorian Hyperspace foil legendary. Wonder what the odds of hitting 2 Hyperspace foil legendaries back-to-back boxes are, and then them being the same card. That's pretty insane. Maybe these are particularly common, and if we're worthless, I don't know, but that is pretty great. I still haven't actually hit a legendary in the legendary slot, but I've got one in the Hyperspace uncommon slot and one in the foil slot at the back. Okay, Cadbean and Spice Mines of Kessel in Hyperspace. Uncommons, 3 uncommons, and another rare again, Miggs Mayfield, and Rich Reward common foil. Okay, here we got Ray, Navarre City, Hyperspace. The Armor, Kitsuno, and Impy's Nest, and still another rare, Sori Bliss, and Looking Tie Phantom, uncommon foil. I think we must be over halfway through this box by now without a legendary in the legendary slot. I don't know if that's ever happened before for me with any of the boxes, so it'd be really interesting to see if they're weighted toward the bottom or we're going to have a bad box in terms of legendaries in the proper slot. A good box in terms of the Millspur. Okay, we have a Pillage, Hyperspace Comet. Keeps it around. 3 uncommons, and we have our first legendary in the legendary slot, Kylo Ren. He also came out in the last box with the Hyperspace Foil Mandalorian, and we have a Hyperspace Foil Client uncommon card. Okay, so first of the expected 3 legendaries in the box. So for the other 3 are down here somewhere, and we'll have a end up with a 5 legendary box, which would be really nice. Be a nice giveaway prize, this one. If, this box also has a showcase. Our Peacekeepers, Embo, sorry, Guild Target, First Light, Crimson Dawn Ship, Rare, and Weequay Pyrocan Common Foil. Weequay, I think pronounced. I don't remember anyone saying the name of those pirates in the show. But then we did Kylo Ren, Rare Leader, and we have Deathwatch Hideout. Finishing on off Surprise Strike, New Adventure, Echo, and Unexpected Escape. And we have Rare Unrefusable Offer. And our foil is an uncommon Unexpected Escape. Okay, we have a Cad Bane, Leader, Jabba's Palace. Hyperspace Common coming in, Adelphi Patrol Wing. Spread the Target, Privateer Crew, and uncommon Hyperspace the Armor. We have 2 sides, Rare with Hunter and Crosshair, and we have a foil Gentle Giant common. Hyperspace Ray and Remote Village. Still very unaware of what's good and bad to play in this at the minute. If you've been building any decks and you have any favourite leaders, let me know in the comments. Have a wee chat about it down there. There's a tech, there's a rare, and a common foil, the Braided Slaves. I need to start watching some videos of some games being played with this, get a feel for the cards and the strategies that are going on, and then when I get enough cards open myself, start doing a bit of deck building. To see if any of the weaker cards from Spark Rebellion have gained a bit of strength with this set. Don't know of any off the top of my head that would, but I haven't really got to think through the set properly and get deep enough into it to really think about the strategies that would be played out. Instinctively, a lot of the cards I'm reading feel quite strong, maybe disproportionately strong to the previous set, so I don't know if that's starting to make that redundant or not already. Dr. Pershing and Reputable Hunter common. And yeah, we're on our last 5 packs. So yeah, if we're going to get our 3 expected legendaries in the legendary spot, then they're going to have to definitely be weighted right toward the end here. We got a Fennec Shand, Hyperspace Leader, Barrow City, so Hyperspace Foil peeking out the back there, very red looking one as well. Got Bounty Posting, Jabba's Rancor, and Rose Tico. And we do have another legendary, the Finalizer, which also came out in the last box. So, like the Spark Rebellion set, definitely seems to be some patterns with the legendaries that you get here. and we have a Wusher Tree Tender Hyperspace Foil. Finalizer and Kylo Ren seem to be coming out together, and they actually seem to be coming with Hyperspace Foil Mandalorian, at least for me. I actually think, did I get Poe Dameron in non-hyperspace in that box as well? So definitely producing some sort of trend. One of the things I didn't really like about the last set was once you pull the legendary, you could almost guess what you were going to get next. They were very predictable. Needed. Fennec, Bounty Hunter's Quarry, and Free Time Backup in common hyperspace. We have another legendary, Evacuate, which I also got in the last box. So these are definitely trending. The last one, but that's our 3 expected legendaries. That's actually the last top loader, so I think we'll grab some more if we get any more in this box. Okay, so we have Boba Fett, Jabba's Palace, common Hyperspace Black Sun Starfighter, no Hyperspace Uncommon, the Arquilin Salt Cruiser, rare, and Bravado Foil Uncommon card. Boba Fett again, back to back, Spice Barons. Stack of commons get pretty big there. Fenn Rye, AG11. We have Bazine Natal from Force Awakens as our rare, and Chewbacca rare foil. So another rare foil. 3 of those in the box. Pretty good. Last pack. Let's see what we can get from it. We have a rare leader, Jabba, Hyperspace base. Good start with those. Okay, Resourceful Pursuers, common hyperspace. We have a Cripple Authority, Frozen Carbonite, and a hyperspace rare. So definitely getting a good last pack here. So we Bliss, rare Crag and Gore, and a common foil Pillage. Okay, that's that for this box. No showcase in this one, so these legendaries are getting added to my collection, not one of yours, but we're going to keep opening, and whatever box I pull a showcase from, those legendaries will be given away to a viewer. There'll be details on how to do that when it happens. Until then, I'll be trying to just build my own collection with them, build my own play sets, and just do some more videos opening boxes. I'm going to maybe try and do 2 box openings a week, so hopefully it won't be too long before we get that showcase and the day to giveaway. But yeah, until then, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the next video.